How to file a claim on the Geico app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can file a claim on the Geico app. The first step is to download and install the Geico app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install the application. Once it has been installed, open the app. Now, you first of all want to log into your account. For that, go ahead and enter your mobile number. Then check the box that says I accept the Geico mobile terms and conditions and tap on the next option. Once you have been logged into your account, on the home screen, tap on the claims section. Now tap on file a claim. Then choose the type of claim you need to file, such as auto. Now enter the incident information. Provide details about the incident, including date, time, location, and description of what happened. You might also be asked to upload photos of the damage or the incident scene. Enter information about any vehicle or parties involved. Provide contact and insurance details of the driver if it is known. Now, carefully review your details you have entered to ensure accuracy. Then, you want to submit your claim through the app. You will receive a confirmation message and a claim number for reference. From the Geico mobile app, you can also track your claim. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.